the baked potato in the microwave because y'all say y'all don't have stoves. After preparing the potato, cook it in the microwave for 5 minutes per side. And don't say I'm going too fast because all the info is on the top. Take out the potato and cut that thing open. Add your butter, salt, pepper, and we're going to melt the cheese, all right? See how easy this is to make? And this is perfect if you live in a dorm room or you don't have a stove, whatever it is, all right? You're going to add your toppings and then you're going to eat and enjoy. Follow and share for more recipes, all right?
How to make better tasting microwavable popcorn. Take a paper sandwich bag and add a half a cup of popping corn. Then add half a teaspoon of olive oil. Fold the bag over twice. Gently shake and then pop it in the microwave. Cook it for 2 minutes. Transfer it to a bowl. Top with melted butter and flaky sea salt.
2-minute peanut butter cookie updated recipe.
This one's fluffier and more peanut buttery.
The main difference here is that we're going to use a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. So a lot more than before. All the other ingredients are the same, so 1.5 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 tablespoon milk. Alright, let's mix. Here's the dough. You gotta do exact measurements or it won't work, guys. Roll into a big old ball. Microwave for about 45 seconds, give or take 15 seconds depending on your microwave. Alright guys, it should look like this. Should have some cracks in the center, soft on the sides. You have to let it cool for 5 minutes, at the least.
This is how I make the best mac and cheese in the microwave. So first I'll pour half a cup of noodles, which I realized is really hard to do with only one hand. And then I'll put that in a bowl and I'll add half a cup of water. And then I'll put it in the microwave for 3 minutes until it cooks. And then I'll add 2 tablespoons of cream. And then I'll put any cheese I have. So this is sharp and marbled, about 1/3 cup. Then I'll mix it up again. And then I'll put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Mix it. And then I'll put some shredded cheese on top. Then I'll microwave it until it melts. And that's literally it. And it's so good.
1-minute chocolate cookie, soft on the inside and gooey on top. Okay, this is like my 7th microwave cookie recipe and I tested it 5 times. So I promise it works. Just make sure you use exact measurements. Mix together your dry ingredients. Add butter and milk. Mix, and you'll probably have to use your hands. Make sure everything is thoroughly mixed. Then lightly grease a plate or use parchment paper. Roll up into one ball. Alright guys, look at this dough. If it doesn't roll into a ball like this, you need to add a little bit more flour. Okay, now you're going to put chocolate chips on top of the dough. Do not put it inside or it'll burn. Now microwave for about 45 seconds, but watch it. Once the sides start to crack, take it out right away. Let it cool for 5 minutes, then use a spatula to carefully remove it from the plate. If you use your hands, it will break apart.
So good.
1 minute, hard-boiled egg. So good.